Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Discord events and automations like a pro. Yeah, if you want your server to feel active and organized without spending hours managing everything manually, this setup is perfect because, honestly, automating events keeps members engaged and reduces stress for admins. So first, go to your server and open the Events tab. Click Create Event and fill in details like name, description, date, time, and location, which could be a voice channel, stage, or even an external link. Next, assign roles and permissions for the event. Yeah? Limit who can manage, join, or speak so your event runs smoothly without interruptions. After that, set up reminders and notifications. You can ping roles or use a bot to send automatic reminders before the event starts, which helps ensure maximum attendance. Also, automate recurring events. Yeah. If you have weekly meetings, game nights, or streams, set them to repeat so you don't have to create them manually each time. And yeah, integrate bots for extra automation. So bots can handle RSVP tracking, announcements, or even post follow-up messages after the event ends. Finally, monitor and adjust your events over time. Most of the time, combining proper setup with smart automation makes your server more engaging, professional, and fun. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.